Good Saturday morning. I have PTO today. Tomorrow is Easter, so today we're kind of going to be doing some Easter prep. I've had a slow morning. I finally started working out, as you saw. I'm hoping I can stay consistent with that and get on board again. Had a quick breakfast. I'm gonna head out here shortly. I gotta go pick up my groceries from Walmart. You'll see that in a separate video, probably before this one, to be honest. So we're gonna go pick that up and then hopefully come back and start baking maybe. I gotta go pick up a plant, so I might have to go do that first because they're only open a short window today. So anyway, just thought I'd kick this off and start the vlog out, but I will check in with you when we go to get groceries. We are heading to go pick up groceries. And I need to get gas in the car, which looks like, honestly, that gas station that I go to over there is cheaper than Sam's. So, but we're gonna go get groceries. I won't share the haul in this. It'll be a separate video. Like I said, you'll see it before this video. But, all right, well, I'll check in with you when I get there because I want to jam out. I'm gonna go pick up a plant in a few minutes, but I think I'm gonna try to get the deviled eggs done real quick, so those can be one thing off my list. So let's get started on that.
Found myself smiling more. The moment you leave, I feel down again. I talk to myself on the floor just to feel less alone. I swear that I'm trying my best. You tell me the stress shouldn't be a friend. I wonder where I'll end up next on the corner of hope. So hold my hand tight for a minute. I'll let you know when to let go. You give a little love with a little sun. Everywhere you go, everywhere you're running. You never say a word, even when it hurts. Everywhere you go, everywhere you're smiling. You make it look easy. I don't understand how you can
Windex the windows, but we never.
All right.
She would always go back.
I just picked up the peace lily that we're gonna try and quickly run over to my friend's house. They lost 2 family members this week, or in a week, and so me and my friend were trying to order flowers, but they live so far out that the delivery fee was crazy, or people were canceling saying they wouldn't deliver it. So I just told her I would pick one up at the florist near my house, and then I'll just deliver it and run it over. Can I get out after this car? Yes, please. Thank you. Okay. So I'm gonna run this flower over to them and pick up a sweatshirt that she borrowed quite a while ago. With everything going on, she hasn't been able to bring it. And then when we get back, we'll work some more on the Easter prep.
Love me the way that I am. You give a little love with a little sun. Everywhere you go, everywhere you're running. I found myself dreaming again. The moment you leave, it goes blank in my head. It feels like my bed is on fire when I'm sleeping alone. So hold my hand tight for a minute. I'll let you know when to let go. You give a little love with a little sun. Everywhere you go, everywhere you're running. You never say a word, even when it hurts. Everywhere you go, everywhere you're smiling. You make it look easy. I don't understand how you can love me the way that I am. You give a little love with a little sun. Everywhere you go, everywhere you're running. You make it look easy. I don't understand how you can love me. You make it look easy. I don't understand how you can love me. Make it look easy. I don't understand how you can love you. You make it look easy. I don't understand how you can love me.
Okay, the appetizer's done. The oven's going. I got about 17 more minutes on the cakes. Now when they come out, they gotta cool entirely before I do anything else. And I still need to get the cake stand out and wash that because I've never used it. It's a new one. I'm excited to use it. All right, the cakes had a good while to cool. I just took them out maybe 20 minutes ago so they could cool off some more. And I washed the cake stand, so I need to dry this off before I start icing. So I know it's not like the prettiest thing. And I wanted to do that naked look on the cake, but I could never figure it out. I may have to do more research, but we're gonna go ahead and put this in the fridge. The icing can set up because it's definitely soft. And then I don't have anything else really to do tonight except dinner and my toenails. I need to paint them before church tomorrow. You know what, guys? I got really tired. Forgot what I was doing and I didn't vlog. But I went and got dinner. I've eaten and I'm just chilling for the rest of the day because I'm tired. So hope you enjoyed coming along with me as I prepped a little bit for Easter. And as always, I hope you have a blessed day.